Multiply 65 by 93 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 19. The first partial product is 195. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 5 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 9 times 6 plus the carried 4 is 58. The second partial product is 5,850. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 5 plus the carried 1 is 6. The product of the whole numbers is 6,045. So 65 times 93 is 6,045.